Communicable diseases are illnesses that can be transmitted from one person to another, and they are caused by various types of pathogens. Pathogens are microorganisms that invade the body, causing infection and disease. There are several types of pathogens, each with its own characteristics and modes of operation. Understanding these different types helps explain the diversity of communicable diseases and how they spread. Bacteria are one of the most common types of pathogens. They are very small living cells, much smaller than human cells, and can multiply rapidly under the right conditions. Bacteria can cause a wide range of diseases, from minor infections like strep throat to more severe illnesses like tuberculosis. Despite their small size, bacteria are complex and capable of surviving in various environments. Some bacteria are beneficial, such as those in our gut that help with digestion, but pathogenic bacteria can invade the body, produce toxins, and damage tissues, leading to illness. Viruses, on the other hand, are not cells and are much smaller than bacteria. They are unique pathogens because they cannot survive or reproduce on their own. Instead, viruses invade living cells and take over the cell's machinery to replicate themselves. This process often destroys the host cell, leading to illness. Diseases caused by viruses include the common cold, influenza, and more serious conditions like HIV/AIDS. Because viruses are not living cells, they are not affected by antibiotics, which target bacteria, making viral infections harder to treat. Protists are another type of pathogen, and they are single-celled eukaryotes. Unlike bacteria, which are prokaryotic, protists have a more complex cell structure, similar to that of animal and plant cells. Some protists cause diseases in humans, such as malaria, which is caused by a protist transmitted through the bite of an infected mosquito. Protists can be more challenging to treat because their eukaryotic nature makes them more similar to human cells, limiting the types of drugs that can target them without harming the host. Fungi are also significant pathogens and come in various shapes and forms. They can be single-celled, like yeasts, or multicellular, like molds and mushrooms. Fungi thrive in warm, moist environments and can cause a range of infections, particularly in the skin, nails, and lungs. For example, athlete's foot and ringworm are common fungal infections of the skin. Some fungi are more dangerous and can cause serious systemic infections, especially in individuals with weakened immune systems. Pathogens can be spread in different ways, leading to the transmission of communicable diseases. Some are spread through direct contact with an infected person, such as touching, kissing, or sexual contact. Others are transmitted through the air, when an infected person coughs or sneezes, releasing droplets that can be inhaled by others. Water and food can also carry pathogens, leading to diseases like cholera or food poisoning when contaminated substances are ingested. Additionally, some pathogens are spread through vectors, such as mosquitoes or ticks, which carry the pathogen from one host to another without being affected themselves. Understanding the various types of pathogens and how they spread is crucial for preventing and controlling communicable diseases. Public health measures, such as vaccination, hygiene practices, and vector control, are all essential strategies in combating these diseases and protecting communities. By recognizing the nature of these pathogens, we can better appreciate the importance of measures designed to limit their spread and impact on human health.